Hi, this is Celine and this time we'll see how to make some wooden plant pots. Usually, wooden plant pots are squared ones or those that have a circular shape need a lathe and the tools to cut the spinning wood plus specialized protection equipment in some cases. This is not necessarily the case as for what you have at hand, but you can make it using simply a scroll saw. Besides, you will have a pattern added in the same process, making it simpler than using a lathe when trying to replicate a similar pattern in some cases. In this project, the thickness is very important. You will not need a pattern to create this plant ball in the shape of a ball, but I recommend taking notes. The thickness I'm using is of 1 cm or 3/8 of an inch. Then I'm going to draw wings with the same thickness. A compass will do the job perfectly. The first ring should have a radius of 7.5 cm, the second 7.3, 6.7 for the next one, another of 6.2 cm, and finally a base of 5.6 cm. Here's the inner part of the rings and cut with a scroll saw while tilting the base. If your base tilts to the left, then move your object counterclockwise or vice versa. For the first ring angle is 14 degrees, the second one 27, 28, 31 and 14 degrees again for the following layers. After doing this, you can simply glue them, and all that's left to do is to pierce the base for the water to drain and give it a finish. I'm going to paper polish and add a little of varnish. To make it last, keeping in mind it will be used outdoors and with wet dirt.